Good afternoon, everyone. I hope everybody is doing fine. So, previous exercise dealt with volumes, okay, subtraction, addition of volumes. We did. Okay, this exercise will be basically dealing with one object being molded in form of another object. So basically, this is also a volume, because if I say that I have 1 kilo of something, so you have to mold it to something. Molding basically means getting it to form another shape, like melting an iron to form a cone, melting an iron to form a spear, or melting a spear to form a cone. Whatever figures we are dealing with. So when we start off with the exercise, we'll understand more clearly. And volume of sphere you already know, volume of cylinder is all the volumes formula so that will be helpful out here in this exercise. So let's get going. A metallic sphere of radius this much is melted and recasted in form of cylinder of radius 6. Okay, you have to find the height of the cylinder. So the metallic sphere is of radius 4.2. So you can calculate the volume. So volume will be 4 by 3 pi r cube, and shape of cylinder is of radius. You have to calculate the height. So let the height be h and the radius be 6. So cylinders pi r square h, and both will be equal because you are melting the sphere in form of a cylinder. So both will be equal, right? So equate both of it. When you equate, we will get the answer for h as 2.4. Okay, after having done this question number 1, then do question number 2. Metallic sphere of radius 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter, and 3 metallic sphere, okay, into a solid single sphere. So you add up all the 3 volumes and then you put 4 by 3 pi r cube. Add up all the 3 volumes and put 4 by 3 pi r cube. That will itself give you the radius of the next sphere, the actual sphere which is to be formed. Okay, so that's it for this numerical. It's a very easy one. Now question number 3. A 20-meter deep well of diameter, deep well, it's a cylinder shape, diameter 7, is dug out from the earth. Spread out platform is 22 by 14. See, 22 by 14, you leave it now. You can find the height of the platform. First you have to calculate the volume of that well. Centimeter is the radius, diameter, and 20 is your depth. So 1 by 3 pi r square h will give you the volume of this, and the area of platform is length into breadth, and they are given you evenly distributed by 22 by 14. So that will give you the area of that, and let the height of the platform be h. So L into B into h will give you the height, the volume of the platform, which will be equal to your pi r square h, the soil coming out of the well. Because they're digging out, you'll be taking out soil. So that's it. When you equate this thing to, there is a missing quantity of h, and that h will be your 2.5 meters. Okay, so that's it for this numerical. Please copy it down properly, and if you have any problem, just let me know. Please see the video properly and copy down each and everything nicely. First try it out on your own, and then you just match the answer. And the moment you match the answer, and if it's not same, if it's same, is good. Make sure that you copy it down from here and again find out your mistakes. Okay, so that's it for this class. I'll be giving you homework as question number 4. 3 and 4 are exactly the same. Okay, as I'm not doing question number 4. Question number 4 needs to be done on your own. So that's it for today's class. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. And make sure you do the homework properly, and let me know if you have any difficulty. Okay, so that's it. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.